Welcome to this tutorial on how to efficiently delete apps on your Mac. To delete apps on a Mac, you have a few different options depending on how the app was installed and whether it's from the Mac App Store or a third-party source. We'll guide you through the process step by step. Method 1. Delete apps from the Applications folder. First, let's explore the standard method of deleting apps using the Applications folder. Open a Finder window by clicking on the Finder icon in the dock or by pressing Command+N. In the left sidebar, click on Applications to open the Applications folder. Here, you'll find a list of all installed applications. Simply click and drag the app you want to delete onto the trash icon in the dock. Put your system password and click on OK. We have successfully uninstalled the app. Alternatively, right-click the app and select Move to Trash. Put your system password and click on OK. We have successfully uninstalled the app. Method 2. Delete apps from Launchpad. If you have apps that were downloaded from the Mac App Store, you can also delete them from Launchpad. Click the Launchpad icon in the dock to open Launchpad. Hold down an app icon until all icons start to jiggle. Click the small X icon that appears in the corner of the app you want to delete. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Method 3. Delete apps installed via a third-party installer. Open any browser. Type App Cleaner in address bar and press Enter. Go to this one. Scroll down and download the latest version on App Cleaner. I will also drop a link in the description box below, you can download it from there as well. Open your Downloads page, and unzip the application. Now drag and drop the app to your application section to install it and then launch it from the Launchpad. Now click on Launchpad and open App Cleaner. Open Finder again. In the left sidebar, click on Applications to open the Applications folder. Now drag and drop your application here. Click on Remove. Successfully uninstall the app. Thank you for watching this video. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.